In this lesson, I will explain to you some features of insert, delete, and format which are located in the cells group. So this is my table and we have 6 columns. But you can see here the date cell is blank. Right, sometimes it happens that when we enter the data, we enter data in our wrong cells. Similarly, this is the case here. This 2015 is the model, it should come here. 24,000 is the price, it should move there, then date will come here. Right, so by mistake I have entered wrongly, so you can say that we can delete this and then again we will write down all the numbers in the proper position. But what happens if you have 1,000 columns? Here we have only 3 columns, right? So I will show you the easiest way. What you have to do, we have to make a room here, right, for mileage. So select this cell, then you have to go to the insert and open the first option, insert cells. This window will open and here it says shift cells down or shift cells right. So you have to click here, shift cells right, and press OK. So see, now all numbers are moved towards right and we can have here room, so you can write down the mileage here. How easy it is, right? And see here, same thing happens here. This is employee 105, 106 and 108. So see, 1010 should be here, actually 107 should be there. So how we will make a room here? One way is, again you can delete and write, but if you have 1,000 records, how many numbers you can write down again? So the easiest way is, only you have to select this 108 because we have to make room here. Go there and insert cells, same window will open. This time shift cells down and OK. Now we have room, so you can write down 107 here. Right, now I will show you how you can add columns. Suppose if you want to make a new column, first of all you have to decide where you have to make a column. I said it should be between employee ID and the company, so select the company if you want between these two and go here, insert, see, insert sheet columns. If you want to add columns, see columns, this is highlighted, but when we will make a new row, then you can see insert sheet rows will be highlighted. So this is column and we can have a column there. Right, I'm going to undo it. Now another way is just right click and see, this is the insert, click insert and the column is there. It is not necessary always that you can add only one column at a time. If I say I need 4 new columns, so what you have to do in one shot, select the 4 columns. If you want to add 5 columns, then select 5 columns, right? I need 4 columns, so select it. If you want, go from here, insert columns. Another way is just right click and insert. See, we can have now 4 columns here. Now similarly, if you want to delete, select this column D, right click, delete. If you want to delete all these columns in one shot, select, right, and first way is right click and delete sheets column, and it's gone. Now come to the rows, right? Okay, suppose I want to enter a new row here, so you have to select this. First way is right click, insert, and the row is there. Another way is go to the insert. See, this time this is highlighted because we have selected the row. So insert sheet rows, we have rows. If you want to enter 5 or 6 rows together, so how many rows you want to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Right click and then insert. We can have 5 rows. Similarly, if you want to delete all this patch, right click, right, and delete. If you want individually one by one, this delete this, and then last one, open this and delete. Right, okay. Now suppose if you want to increase the width of this column, see, this width is too big compared to all this, and this there is some room. If you want to adjust this column, right? So what you have to do, go to the format, and this is the column width and auto column width. So I have to select auto fit column width. See, it is according to the size of these dates. Same thing we can do here, right? Go there and then this, open this auto fit. If I will say increase the width of each column, right? So first way is bring here, and I said make it 20 width. See, this is the width. When you will increase it, you can see at the top the width is increasing. I said it should be 20, right? Oh, exact 20. So this is 20. And for D column, now you will do the same thing, 20. See, it's time consuming. How many times? If we have 1,000 columns, how many times you will do? So the easiest way is select all the columns, go to the format. Here is column width and write down 20, which I said okay. See, now these are 20. If you will bring here, you can see this is 20, 20 all. Now to the rows. See, the row, the sixth row is a wider compared to other rows, or this compared to the labels. So if you want to adjust this row, select the row, go here, auto fit row, right? It will fit according to the labels or the titles. Same thing, if I say increase the width of each row 20, so see, it's difficult. So the easiest way is what you have to do, select the data, go to the format and row height, and then whatever you want. If I say 40, so do 40, and see, all are 40 now. How easy these things are, right? Now if you want to add some new sheet, I will copy this data to a new sheet. So first way is this plus sign, right? We have a sheet 4. I am going to copy this. Another way is insert and insert sheet. Right click here. Now we have a sheet number 5, and we can switch the position as well, right? Which we had discussed earlier. In sheet 4, if suppose you do not want this sheet 4, so how to delete it? Right click on sheet 4 and then delete it. But keep in mind, the Excel will ask you, this is the warning, Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. We cannot undo this sheet, it's gone now, right? And the second way is open this delete. I'm going to delete sheet number 5, delete sheets. Again it will ask you, see, it is permanently, because there was nothing, that is why it didn't ask. If there is something in our sheet 5, it will ask you, you want to permanently delete the sheet, and if you say yes, right, and then you cannot undo it. So how easy all these functions are. Now your job is to practice it, because when you will involve, you will learn more. But please do not forget to subscribe my channel, share, like it. See you in the next lesson, and thank you.